Today's March 25th, Saturday, and I started my seeds a little over a week ago, and the mice are digging it up. I mean, this is the first time they ever dug up any seeds in the 4 years I've been here. The apricot tree is blooming. I saw some bees on it, so hopefully I get some good fruit this year. And my garden seemed a little bland, so I planted some tulips last year, but it didn't flower or anything. And I thought they were all dead, but they come up this year, so looks like I'm gonna get some tulip flowers this year. And this is wild garlic chives. And wild mugwort. And transplanted some strawberries here. These two are just tests. I'm going to use chemical fertilizers. Can you say chemical fertilizers? Just industrial fertilizers on these two only. And compare it to the other strawberries I have. See if I get better fruit on these. So this is just a test bed right here. And some onions that were growing in my pantry that I didn't eat up soon enough. And here's my garlic. They're doing pretty good. It's over a foot tall. And some onions here. I don't remember if there were onions or green onions. Here's one kale that survived the winter. Another onion. This is Minari. And I try to grow this year. I got transplanted into a bigger space in order to propagate enough for me to eat. So things I planted so far. Potatoes. I planted 3 beds of potatoes. One here, one over there, and one right in front of the dog there. Parpar. Parpar, don't step in the bed. Parpar, Chris. Hey. And that one has potatoes in it too. Because I want to get a big bunch of potato harvest in to last me a year. And this is lemon balm, a perennial that keeps on coming every year. And this is another weed that's edible. It's a very nutritious weed. And here are, what is buchu they call it in Korean, I think. But it's flat leaf, so what is, I don't know what it is in English. Oh man, the dogs went through the bed here too and put a big footprint in it, dang it. And these are seeds I planted. I think they're onion seeds. I'm not really 100% sure. Because when I collected seeds, I didn't label it. But I'm pretty sure they're onion seeds, hopefully. I left this bed full of weeds so I can eat the weeds. So that's the update for now. See you next time.